The principle of gyroscope is not used in inkjet printer. Body of mouse used in computer was made about 40 years ago. At that time it was made of wood. A stylus is a pointing and drawing instrument with a pen-like shape. It is used to touch screen. A stylus. Which of the following is not an option in button tab at the bottom of mouse properties? Window of control panel, window 10s. It is single click speed. Which of the following categories of mouse uses a laser for detecting movement of mouse? Optical mouse. Which of the following buttons on a mouse are typically used to provide additional information and properties on an item selected? Right. What is the term used to describe the use of a mouse to move an item on the screen to new location? Drag and drop. Holding the mouse button down while moving an object is called dragging. The wheel located between two standard buttons of a mouse is used to scroll the page. By clicking the right mouse button appear, a special menu will open. The mouse is clicked on 2 times to select a word. Often used to highlight, used to select or highlight. Mouse. On clicking the mouse twice, information goes to CPU. The cursor on mouse monitor is moved with the help of mouse. The blinking symbol on computer screen is called cursor. Mouse usually appears in the shape of arrow. It is pointer. Which of the following used to read a hand written on printed text to digital image stored in memory? It is called a scanner. Which of the following unit is used to count speed of modern printer? It is called ppm. Not an output device, a scanner. Not a type of scanner. Which of the following is a direct input device where data is input into computer by a machine or device? It is barcode scanner. Hardware input device in a computer? It is a scanner. Which of the following device is used to print very large drawing or complex line art by mechanical movement of a pen? It is called plotter. What type of device is a computer printer? Output. Which of the following scanner looks similar to a photocopier machine and consists of a box containing a glass plate on its top and lid that covers like a glass plate? It is called flatbed. Which type of scanner reads character with the help of a light? So that type of scanner is called optical character recognition. Makes it easy to play games on the computer? Joystick. Is input device? Joystick. Essential for video conferencing? Webcam. Type of camera that is attached to a computer which is used for video conferencing, video chatting and live web broadcast? It is webcam. Line, daisy, wheel, laser and drum are types of plotters. Which of the following software can help a person who is unable to use his hand for computer input? Speech recognition. MICR scanner is example of input device. Which is the following industry primary use of magnetic ink character recognition? It is bank. Which is the following used for banking industry for faster processing of large volume of checks? MICR. Not an in output device? MICR. इनपुट डिवाइस यूजर प्रोग्रामर है ये इनपुट इंटेलिजेंट टर्मिनल. टाइप ऑफ स्कैनर रीड्स कैरेक्टर मार्क्स कोड्स. इट इज OMR. Which of the following device is used to recognize a pre-specified type of mark by pencil or pen? It is OMR. The most used piece of hardware for inputting data is called keyboard. Which of the function is done by a microphone device? Convert sound signal into electric signal. Microphone is a input device. माइक्रोफोन क्या ऑपरेशन करता है? कन्वर्ट ह्यूमन स्पीच इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल. बैंकिंग में क्या यूज होता है? बैंकिंग में MICR यूज होता है. इनपुट डिवाइस दैट इज यूज्ड इन सुपरमार्केट में बार कोड रीडर यूज होता है मॉल सब में. डिवाइस यूज टू रीड द डाटा ऑन ए प्रोडक्ट लेवल, तो बार कोड रीडर यूज होगा इसमें. ICR का मतलब क्या है? ICR का मतलब इंटेलिजेंट कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन यूज टू इंटर